All right, guys, got a little surprise going on. So for the past month, I've been trying to work out a deal to try and upgrade the content, I guess, a little bit more. So I guess here's the big reveal. We got a shop. Just got this place. Think about 1,800 square feet. All right, gonna get a hoist here, another hoist here, whole bay area over there. So this is where all the content's gonna be based out of now, is this massive shop. Me and this guy got it, so he's gonna be recording all the content on this thing. And now the content will look a lot better. And it'll be in this sick new garage. So we'll be building cars in here. We'll be doing lots of restoration projects, working on other people's cars, maybe start wrapping people's cars, stuff like that. So that's what we've been working on, honestly, for the past almost month, I want to say. So finally got it. We got the keys. Now all we got to do is just set it up because it's hella empty right now. So that's the plan. Got a washroom going in right in the corner there, so we can take dumps on site. And then we just gotta sweep up currently, mop the floors, get them all nice and shiny, start setting our stuff up. We already got the Teggy here, so I've loaded this up somewhat with some stuff from the backyard, bringing everything here now. So this is gonna be the main spot. All right, so we're just kind of cleaning out the driveway area right now. There's a bunch of garbage. Looked a lot worse, but it's really dusty. So we just been kind of throwing that out, scooping it up, making it look clean outside. We have this getting filled soon, maybe about a week or so. And then we got to get a drain built in right under this Integra so we can start detailing and then have the water go somewhere, pretty much. But I didn't tell you guys about this, but I bought this about, I want to say 2 weeks ago, maybe a week and a half ago. And yeah, she's pretty beat up here and there, but overall, pretty good condition. It's auto, unfortunately, but it's a 94 Acura Integra. All stock pretty much. Nothing's actually done to it. So we're gonna part it out. We bought it for $700. The guy was asking $2,000. So we bought that. I got my Integra inside here. And this is what we have set up pretty much so far. Just a couple shelves in here. Got more shelves. And then just a bunch of my old plates. Bought some garbages too. And oh, look at that, our boy. All right, guys, day 2. Back at the shop. We're here pretty late, just kind of hanging out, finishing cleaning up. We finished sweeping the floors, but as you can still see, there's like mud kind of everywhere. So we're gonna move all these cars out, kind of push everything to the wall, soak the floors, put some soap on them, use one of these brushes, start scrubbing, and then we got pressure washer there, and then we got another one in that corner. So we're gonna pressure wash the whole floor and kind of clean it out so it's nice and clean finally, so we don't have a dusty floor, because we didn't even get underneath these cars yet. So it'll be a nice kind of once over clean of the shop, and then we'll bring all the cars back in. But for now, that's where we're at. I'm gonna start detailing this because I've been kind of waiting on it for a long time, because I've already known about getting this shop for a while. It's just been a long process of actually getting it. Yeah, so this is gonna be our shop now. You're gonna see a lot of content here, a lot of Honda builds, a lot of Acura, everything. Beamers we got, Like, I got so much stuff to show you guys that I've been waiting on. High horsepower Civics too. But yeah, that we're gonna start cleaning this. I'll set up a time lapse for you guys just to see, because it's kind of satisfying. Right now it's actually, what time is it? It's like 8:30 in the morning. All right, guys, so we just brought this Teggy in. Obviously, it's mine. I've been neglecting cleaning it for a while, just so I can clean it in the shop. It's really dirty, as you can see. Got neglected for a long time. So we're gonna be doing that now. We're gonna start on the interior, and then we're gonna do the outside. Got stuff like that on here. We got bird shit. We got all this debris on here that we're gonna take off. Do the windows too. And hopefully it'll be looking all nice after. All right, so we just moved the Teggies around and I finished washing this guy, me and Jake. Interior now, completely spotless. Vacuumed out, washed the mats, shampooed them, vacuumed everything. some nice dressing on the interior, nice tire shine. And you can actually see a reflection on this guy.